Yeah, we here right now. We live in Hartford, Connecticut. We about to pull up on that side of Real Artways. We about to get ready to do a photo shoot. You see I'm here with Wiz.
Yes, sir. We in here.
One of my lifelong friends, man. We used to go to elementary school together, man. Mark Twain, man. You see the back is full with that it. You hear me? Well, yeah, we gonna get back to y'all. We gonna see y'all in a little bit. Yeah, we here. I'm so appreciative. I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed. I'm so thankful. We about to get this shoot right. Like I said, got Wiz over there getting right. And I would like to introduce you to the photographer that's going to be doing the shoot. He'll give you all his links so you can tap in with him and get you some photos done as well.
Peace. Julian B Photo. Yeah, we about to make some magic.
Big magic.
Yes, sir.
How can they find you?
Julian B Photo, Instagram. JulianBphoto.com is the website. Also follow studio206.info, studio206.info on the IG as well. So
Perfect. I appreciate you, brother.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, it's about to be magical. So go park up. We're gonna get inside there, show you some more things. We got somebody else coming. We got Larry coming. I'm gonna call him right now, and we'll move forward. I'll see y'all.
How you doing?
I'm better than ever, man. It's
Yes.
L, man.
Yes, sir.
It's L. We
Yes,
about to get to work. I'm about to
Yes, sir.
introduce L to the guys. Come on, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we. Larry, this is Wiz.
What's up, Wiz?
This is Julian.
Julian?
Julian.
Julian, my bad. You got
Julian's gonna be the one that's gonna be this is his studio. He's gonna be taking the professional pictures. Like I said, I want you guys to do more like
behind the scenes.
yes. If you could capture some photos, capture photos, but don't get in his way. He don't fuck around. Outside of that, we about to get jiggy, y'all. I'm glad y'all here with me. You know, when we go upstairs, we'll pray. And we ain't gonna pray on camera, because that's for us. You know what I'm talking about? We here, y'all. Yeah, make sure y'all get in contact with Julian, man. Look at his work. Come on now. Pressure, professional. Look at that. Huh? Yeah. Cinematic. You can record like that as well, but cinematic, like get close, like say like. No. Say like if Julian had no lights in here, but he had a light on the outside of those windows protruding in, you will see a light from it, and you will see the window frame and all that. And you will have somebody in that area where the light's hitting them, and you kind of zoom in on them. And like if you have smoke, it's real cinematic. Remember that zoom in I was telling you? Okay. That zoom in? Yeah. If you want to get zoom in, you want that. No.
We all good.
Oh, yeah, that's how you gotta think. And Julian, listen, this is Julian's studio. So you ask Julian how you do things like that. You grow with him. Your network is your net worth. Right. So you talk to individuals that's doing things that you want to do. You never know when you get into them. You never know what life has. Just learn. Just go to individuals, be humble, and it's gonna come.
Is this a podcast area you were talking about?
Yeah, like in that area. Can I do that right there? Yeah, like right in that area, I have one to do something. But like I told you, the individual was a fail as a student, so you know how it goes. Like that. Okay, let me screw the camera first. I appreciate it. I wish I would have brought a string, but I think I'm gonna just keep the this joint that's on the camera. Cause while he's holding it on this little new this little joint we just got, not the gimbal one. No, it's stable, but in case it slips off, what I'm gonna do is tie this what's the wool?
Oh, you think because you're not sure if it's staying secure?
Yeah.
Okay. I will keep it on.
Feel me?
Okay. Now, has it fell off before?
No, it hasn't, but when I was actually purchasing that piece from Asylum Avenue, Asylum Street, downtown Hartford, one of the guys gave me a heads up, like, yeah, just secure it even though it's on there. You know what I mean? So, from photographer to photographer, you know, people put you on the game. And that's what they say in life, when you learn from your mistakes, you're smart. When you learn from other people's mistakes, you're wise.
Right.
You know?
Right.
So, we should be Gucci right here. Boom, boom, boom.
You got one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta put it in. It won't lens though. No.
Huh? By who?
I think I might need damn wave cap on. Hell yeah, I was gonna take it off because I was trying to make my hair lay down. I think I might just tie it a certain way. Yeah, do damn dance hall.
Look at that. That's a hard picture right there. Hold on, stay just like that. Let me take this picture.
Go back into the column wall. Go back. Yeah. And then you go. Look over here. Yes. Good. Stay right there. I want you to look over that shoulder there. Yeah. Good. Right. Stay there. Perfect. Good.
Make sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And you can catch a widescreen too. Cause remember how we were shooting the videos? The widescreen.
I got a couple of them like that.
Hey, come in, No, stop recording. Shoot like that. They gonna see it and be like, yo, why he got a guy throwing it on? Listen, man, we all love women around here. You know what I'm talking about? And we in a space right now where 4 brothers are building. You feel me? This how we grow. Hey, put that on my neck too. Hey, no Diddy. You feel me? You have girls around, shit be going left. You hear me? We here right now, man. We're guys building, learning as we go along. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Lord knows I love my women.
Can't live without them.
And my women love me too. Yeah.